Welcome to this tutorial video on how to trade bonds on PersonalFinanceLab. A bond is a type of loan where a company or government sells its debt to individual investors in exchange for regular interest payments. Bonds are typically denominated in $1,000 and pay interest at set intervals, often every 6 months. The interest rate for a bond is called the coupon rate. On the maturity date of the bond, the original loan amount is paid back along with any accrued interest. There are two types of bonds, corporate bonds and Treasury bonds. To access the bond trading page, go to Stock Game on the main menu and click Bonds. Start by selecting the bond type, either corporate or Treasury, to see the full list of available bonds for each. Each bond listing will include the maturity date and the coupon rate in the name of the bond. Select the bond you would like to trade to get a quote. Choose whether you want to buy or sell the bond. You invest in bonds by specifying the number of bonds you want to buy. Most bonds have a face value of $1,000, so if you want to invest $10,000, you need to enter 10 in the quantity field. You cannot trade a fraction of a bond. When you buy or sell a bond, you can only place a market order, which means your trade will be executed at the current market price. This means you might end up paying more or less than the face value of $1,000, because the market value of a bond can fluctuate based on its interest rate. So if you bought 10 bonds, you would get back $10,000 on the maturity date, plus the accrued interest, regardless of what you paid for it. Click Preview and add any trade notes that explain your rationale for making this investment. You'll see the estimated cost with the commission applied. Then click Confirm. To close your position, go to Open Positions, choose Bonds from the drop-down menu, and then click Trade. You'll be taken to the bond trading page, where you can specify the total amount of bonds you wish to sell. If you have any questions, click Contact Us to speak to a member of our team. Our help desk is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Outside of those hours, you can create a ticket that will receive updates directly to your messaging center on PersonalFinanceLab. Thanks for watching.